This video is dedicated to all my friends who wanted to know how I pack all my things in a small trolley bag when we are moving. So I'll show you. See, these are the leggings, skirts, shorts, 3/4. These are the number of t-shirts, tops, kurtas I carry. So this is the dress part of it. The towel, a scarf comes handy when there is a lot of sun, or if you just want to change the look of your clothes. So a small scarf, a thin scarf, so that it doesn't occupy much of space. Now since it is a month of June, so we're expecting rains, and hence we are carrying this ponchos. We got it from Decathlon. It's a good poncho to save us from the rain. The spectacles, our cards, some stuff like cream, comb, brush, pen drives, all this we're carrying in this. Bag which folds into a very small nugget type of a thing. It's a big bag to carry fruits, groceries, if you're having a kitchen to stay in. These are the stuff, my Yoga Sutra stuff. These are some study materials, again Yoga Sutra related. These are two huge caps to protect from the sun. This is a small handy ironing thing so that you can wear ironed clothes. This again is a lemon squeezer. We found it's very difficult to get an aluminum one, so we're carrying this one since it is hot everywhere. This is Comfort Mosquito Repeller. We found this stuff. This is very good because it is it's got ingredients that are organic. A small paper cutter. This is a small backpack stuff so that if you need to carry stuff, there's a backpack. There's an extra backpack. This is sabja and sof to put in water so that you don't get stroke during this heat season when we are traveling. These are the innerwears. This is a torch if you are caught up in a place with this electricity problem. There's a small thermos which comes handy if you have to put in coffee or we have to carry some lassi with us. So basically this whole stuff is going to go into a trolley bag which is as small as this. We're going to check in this baggage, but this whole stuff is not more than about 8 to 9 kilos. So I have pretty much packed everything. So the clothes go into this section, the towel, the agarbatti goes into this section, and the other stuff that which are heavy goes here. You just place the hats on this and we are good to go. So you see all the heavy things on one side and all the clothing going to one side. Since the clothes are all folded, it requires less amount of space. The bag is packed and we are ready to go. The other bag is a small backpack which carries the laptop, a pair of Crocs and a slipper, a shawl, and some travel kit. So that's how we pack a bag and travel. This packing takes less than 20 minutes of time and you almost have all the things that you require. Enjoy traveling.